Okay, today I show you how to draw xy linear equation on xy coordinates. We given an equation 2x minus 3y equal to a. So we want to plot a straight line which is match this equation in a coordinate x and y coordinate. So we have a coordinates x and y. X. How to plot this equation? Okay, we need more information than just this equation. So what we need to know? First, we need to know that xy linear equation is a line. It means this equation 2x plus 3y equal to a is a line, right? Second, a line is determined by 2 points. One example is a line determined by 2 points. If we have a point 1 here, point 2, so we can draw a line here. Okay. If a point 1, point 2, P1, P2, we can draw a line. But if we only have one point like P, we can draw many lines, right? So 2 points is determine a line. So this is very important information. Okay. So a line is determined by 2 points. Okay, once we have about 2 pieces of information, we pretty much know how to solve the problem. Let's do it. First, we need to choose one point because we know that if we know 2 points, then we can just draw the line, right? So we need to first choose the first point. Okay, how can we choose a point on a line? So which point we should choose? Well, we can choose a very easy point. When I say easy, it means that we can just choose small number like x equal to 1. If we choose x equal to 1, then we can solve this equation. So we have to multiply 1 plus 3y equal to 2 because x is equal to 1. So this equation pretty easy to solve. So we move the term to the right hand side, move 2 to the right hand side. So we have 3y equal to 6. So it means that y equal to 2. So it means we already have first point, right? So the first point is x equal to 1, y equal to 2. So we know this point is on this line, right? Because this point is satisfy this equation, right? If we substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2 to this equation, both sides are equal, right? Okay, we have the first point. We need another point. So how can we choose second point then? We can use the same technique. We try to choose an easy point. Right? When I say easy, it means small integer. So just let y equal to 0. Right? 0 is an integer. So, and then what we have is y equal to 0. We have 2x plus 3 multiplied 0 equal to a. So it means that we have 2x equal to a. So we have x equal to 4. Right? So we know the second point is x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Right? So we have point 1, first point, and second point. Okay, something, make sure keep that in mind when you choose a second point. Make sure you choose a different point from the first point, right? This point should not be the same as the first point, right? So we have 2 points, so we can draw the line. Okay, let's draw the line. Because we know the point 1 is x equal to 1, y equal to 2, right? So x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Point 2 is x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So this 2 point is on this line. Okay, let's plot this line. First point, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. So we have point here, right? Second point, x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So the point is just here. So we have P1, P2. So we can draw the line. So this line is this equation, because this P1 and P2 is satisfy this equation. We have 2 points. These 2 points, they are different because if we draw in a coordinates, they are different points. So this line is match this equation. Okay, thank you for watching.